Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to overlay picture in Filmora application. Overlaying a picture can enhance your video project by adding visual elements like logos, graphics, or text overlays onto your video. Open up your Filmora application to get started. Once you open it up, click on the New Project button. Select a video you want to edit from your camera roll. You can also choose any other media elements you want to use. Once you select your media, click on the Import button at the bottom right. After importing the video clip or the media, now go to the bottom menu and tap on PIP. You can then go ahead and select Photo option. Choose a picture from your device's camera roll that you'd like to overlay with. After choosing the picture, click the check mark at the bottom right. Now you can drag both ends of the picture to modify the start time. Long press on the timeline to move the clip, and also don't forget to cover the parts of the video by dragging the edges from the picture. After you make sure that the picture and the video gets aligned with each other on the timeline, go ahead and select your picture from the timeline again. Now you can go ahead and resize your picture and then go to the bottom of the screen and choose blending. Go ahead and choose one of the blending options from the list and drag the slider in order to blend in the image with the video. After selecting one of the blending options, use the slider to overlay the picture with the video content, and after you are satisfied with the result, tap on the check mark. Finally, after overlaying a picture above your video, and if you are ready to export it, click on the export option at the top right, select one of the export type, and finally save the video onto your device's gallery. So that is how you will be able to overlay a picture above a video using Filmora application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.